Alright, Lincoln. Poke your head out. Hi. You having fun there being a burrito? Oh, Lord. Whoop.
Can I play now? You can't come in here with me. Come in here with me.
You can't come in there.
I mean,
It's...
put his feet in here too with me.
What the heck?
Come look, put your feet in here with me too.
What is wrong with the two of you?
Okay? Now look, roll over. Come on, roll over.
You can't roll over.
I can't roll, man. I'll push you then. I'll get in the hole too. I'll get in the tube. Here, wait. First, let me get under the tube.
Don't pull his head. Don't pull his head.
Over here.
Whoop. What in the world?
Okay, let me get you up.
Okay, I'm gonna turn up. Say bye-bye.
Bye.